Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you an evergreen niche that is low in competition. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses I'm selling on Gumroad. The first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $39.99. You get 16 lessons. It's over an hour of content. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales. I teach a lot of good stuff in this course about like how to niche down, cross niche, how to scale your designs, how to check for trademarks, how to keep your account safe, how to find evergreen niches, how to find trending niches, design styles, how to design, all types of good stuff. Also, I have one for Redbubble as well. So this is the one for Redbubble. Step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Also only $39.99. This one you get 20 lessons. It's over an hour of content as well. Also good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. If we look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller and I've made over 11,000 sales and done over $38,000 in royalties. And if we look at my credentials on Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000 with my best month being in June, where I did $317. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche I have for you today is a low competition evergreen niche. And I kind of just stumbled on this niche, and the niche is called glamping. If you don't know what glamping is, I didn't know what it was either, but let's just do a quick Google search on it. So glamping is a form of camping involving accommodations and facilities more luxurious than those associated with traditional camping. All right, so it's kind of like a sub-niche of camping. Glamping is likely to satisfy any city slicker seeking a little refuge in nature without foregoing any of life's luxuries. If we go to Google Photos, we'll see this is what it looks like. So it's basically just like high-end camping. All right, now this niche will sell, all throughout the year, but you'll probably see more sales of this niche during the summer when camping. The designs are up, or sales are up, I mean. But if we go back to merch or to Amazon, we're going to see glamping. The results, there's only 432 results. And when we look at some of these designs and listings, now these aren't going to be like the best BSRs, because this is a low competition evergreen niche. But here we're going to see, this one, there's 324. The majority of them are in the millions. A lot of them have good reviews. And there's a couple ways you can design for this niche. So you can just do like the funny sayings like this one right here, where glamping is like camping with electricity, wine, and much less dirt. Or you can cross niche it. I saw a lot of this niche being cross niche with like the women demographics, so like queen, girl. You can also do like glamping squad, glamping crew. So here are some examples. Happy Glamper. Now you'd have to check to see if this is trademarked. And actually, let's go ahead and just talk about that real quick. The trademark. So if we go to test and we type in glamping, we're going to see that there's a bunch of things that pop up. Now in my course, I teach you how to read and understand trademarks. The first thing that you want to do is you want to look to see if there's a registration number, because just if it's live, it doesn't mean that you can get in trouble for it. It has to have a registration number, basically. So the first thing you want to do is look for registration numbers that match the exact text glamping. So I'm not seeing anything. But if we scroll down, there is one right here. It has a registration number, glamping, and it's live. So we want to check on that one. And then what you would do is you would go in here and you want to see what number it has for goods and services. If it's in 025, that means we can't use it because it's in t-shirts. But right here, I'm not seeing any 025. And it's saying that this is for hotel accommodation services. So this is a safe word to use. It's not trademarked in the t-shirt goods and services category. And if we go to Etsy and take a look at the competition on some of the other websites, we're going to see that on Etsy, type in glamping shirt, only 2,824 results. So very low, pretty easy to get on the first page with this. And if we go to Redbubble, now there is a little more competition for this niche on Redbubble, so 11,000, so it might be a little harder to get noticed on Redbubble. But on Merch by Amazon and Etsy so far, it looks like it's pretty low in competition. TeePublic doesn't show us how many results there are, but like I always say, do not sleep on TeePublic. Right here, you see I'm already up to $62 for the month. Last month in January, which is probably like the worst month of the year, for print on demand, $153. So get your designs up on TeePublic. And another thing is you can just go to Creative Fabrica. This is basically where I've been finding all of my designs lately, because I'm just too lazy to design. I don't want to pay designers. But what you can do is you can sign up to Creative Fabrica and you can just type in your niche, so glamping, for example. And here you can see all these designs that we can basically just download and upload onto print-on-demand websites. So like right here, we're going to see, this looks like a pretty good one. Glamping is like glamping is like camping with electricity, wine, much less dirt. Glamping crew, glamping squad. You can get these bundles. So if you want to sign up with Creative Fabrica, I do have a, what's it called, an affiliate link in my description on my videos. So if you just go to any one of my videos, if you scroll down where it says my favorite POD tools, you're going to see I have this affiliate link right here called Creative Fabrica. If you sign up, I do get a small commission, but I'd definitely recommend these guys if you're lazy like me. It's just an easy way to basically just shop for designs really quick and fast, and they have a big selection. You know, you pay like 50 something bucks and you get access to all their designs for a whole year. They have damn near almost every niche. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. But that is basically going to be the niche for today. It is the glamping niche. It's basically a sub niche of camping. It will sell all year round, but you'll probably see more sales up during the summer when everybody is going outdoors and spending time camping. And if you like this kind of content where I teach you about like, niches that are low in competition, trending niches, things like that, just to give you some ideas on what to design for basically Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms, you might want to consider checking out and subscribing to my channel. Put out videos on a regular basis. Where is it? Right here. So if you're looking for other ideas, check out this first playlist right here. I got some good ideas right here if you're looking for some more ideas. And if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, if you're a beginner, if you're struggling on Redbubble, you're also a beginner, you might want to consider taking a look at my courses. It's going to be a good place to figure out how this Merch by Amazon and Redbubble stuff all works. All right, so if you're interested, the links will be in the description. And that's going to be it for today. So thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.